if you ever run into the dilemma of opening a fertilizer bag and then you notice that it had settled, meaning because of humidity, the liquid, the minerals settle at the bottom of the bag, so you see the bottom of the fertilizer bag concentrated, dark blue, for example, and then the top very light because the minerals, absorb moisture and then became water and settled to the bottom of the bag. So you cannot take let's say an ounce from the top because it's not uniform, So this is what happened to me. It's starting to get more humid. So I weighed that total amount. I had, almost 4,000 grams, 4 kilos, about 8 pounds left. I dissolved them in 4 gallons of water, okay? And I made sure they're 100% dissolved. So now this is more uniform. I cannot accurately say if I take 2 ounces from that mixture, this is that fertilizer 20-20-20 because it has settled. But if I put that whole amount in water, then I know if I take 100 mils and then take another sample of 100 mils, I know those two will have equal amount of that fertilizer. So that is your solution if you ever happen to you. Instead of throwing that bag away, just dissolve it. Of course, make sure that you seal it, with the lid. I will bring the lid, but until then, I'm going to cover it with this grocery bag. So I want 28 grams of fertilizer. Okay, so 28 grams. You do the math. 39.40 in 4 gallons, or this many mils. I want 28 grams. You do the math. I need 107.6 mils. I can take 107.6 mils with a graduated cylinder, with a syringe, whatever, and I know with confidence I am very close to 28 grams. Instead of going back to that original bag that had settled, how do I know where you can sample 28 grams and then say this is accurate? Because it's not uniform, it has settled. So this is one option. Okay, just remember, you want to keep that sealed. You don't want it to dissolve. Okay, to evaporate and then it gets more concentrated. Enjoy.